Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.3-liter PFDI engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to your back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders, a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. And then looking into the front, this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And then looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Sitting in the vehicle with it running, and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip information as well as your digital speedometer. You have your trip to, eco coach, auto start stop status, your radio station, and fuel economy. Then you can go into your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything, with Dynamic Hitch Assist, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then moving above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, your traction control shut off. Then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, and then you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. And to the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector you have normal, tow haul, eco, sport. Then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt with a USB and USB-C, and then this button up here opens a compartment above your glove box for more storage. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have a 12-volt power outlet with a USB and USB-C again, as well as having a shelf where you can put your devices while they're charging or whatever else you want. Then moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And you even have another lockable compartment underneath that for more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.